What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Black Apino, the Apple Guy. Today I got a special unboxing of something that I actually thought I would never probably see, not for a bit longer, but it's something that I feel that I need for my YouTube setup. So I'm going to get into this unboxing of this. I'm going to talk about what it is that I got and how I'm actually going to use it and what it's going to replace. So this is going to be my new key light. Now the lights that you see in the background, those are my normal lights that I use for making all of my videos, especially when I'm doing any type of talking head videos, which I do probably 90% of the time for all my videos are using these lights. So the light that you see back there in this corner, so basically this light right there, that is known as my Elgato key light. That's my small light that I use for pretty much almost 90% of my videos. And then the light that you see kind of to my right here that's shining, that's kind of blocking the shadows, that is known as a key light mini. That is a portable light. Now when I have it actually put up on my other pole right over here that's empty, it's designed to be kind of like my kind of inexpensive way of making a key light. And then I have my normal desk light that I have back there. But as you can see, when it comes to doing any type of videos whatsoever, especially when I'm doing a talking head video with it, it does make it a little bit hard for me to make the adjustments with the lights because they're very harsh. And I don't really have a way of kind of angling it to the side because that's my PC's right over there and I got some other stuff. Hence why I bought this. Now, this is my first actual type of, I wouldn't say professional light, but this is my first type of lighting like this. Now, I've never owned anything like this. This is the Amaran 60D. This is by Aputure. So this is like my first, I guess you could say, portable light. Let's do that again. So this is, so this is my new key light. This is known as the Amaran 60D. Now there was a YouTuber that did a bunch of videos on key light, budget key lights for your YouTube setup, and this was one of the cameras that, or I should say, one of the lights that was reviewed. And for the price, this was about $149 on sale at the Aputure website. I actually bought this off of Amazon. No, I actually bought this off of eBay. This is my new key light. This is made by Aputure. This is called the Amaran 60D. Now there was a few YouTubers that did a review on a lot of budget key lights under $200. This one was about $150. I bought this off of B&H. I will drop a link down below for this if you want to take a look at this. And the reason why I am using this type of a light as opposed to what I currently have now is because these lights work fine, but they don't really work as well as a key light in terms of what these type of lights are and the overall versatility of them. This is like basically like a portable key light. Now the only thing that I have that's remotely close to that is if I put my hand up right here, you see that shadow? That is known as a Elgato key light mini. It's just a portable light, but it doesn't give me the same lumens as this is in terms of brightness. This does not do that. And then my light right here, that's just my normal Elgato key light mini air. That works fine for if I'm doing talking head videos for my desk, when I'm sitting at my desk and doing, which is what I do 90% of the time. But when it comes to if I want to get better light exposure, I can't really use that well because it's really only designed to sit on a desk stand or on a clamp, which is what I have it on. But if I want to do any type of portable stuff with it, can't really use that. Hence why this pops in. So, and the reason why I keep doing this is because I'm looking at it through the through my camera monitor. It looks like it's always off-centered. But this was about $149 off of B&H, and we're just going to kind of do an unboxing of this, open this up, and I'm going to show you what comes with it. And then I will get it set up eventually. I just don't have the batteries right now to do because I'm using one battery for my camera monitor. The good thing is that I can use the same Sony battery that I use on my camera monitor on this. The downside is it takes two of these as opposed to just one. So I'm going to show you what the batteries look like and what I mean. So this is the battery that you use. This is known as a NPF 960. So as you can see right there, that's an NPF. So this is the battery that is used for this light. Now it takes two of them. The cool thing is it does come with a battery plate, but it also comes with a AC plug-in that I can actually plug it in and do that. Probably not going to want to do that because I don't really want to do a lot of plugins in my room. It's a small room. I don't need everything in its cousin plugged in. But it does come with a battery plate, and it does use these type of batteries. And again, like I said before, it takes 2 of these where I have one plugged into that and one of this. I'm not really going to buy 2 more because it would defeat the purpose of me using, because I don't really use this as often as I normally would. But we're just going to pop this box open, and I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then you know, just kind of give my thoughts as we are going along doing this unboxing. So let's get into the unboxing. As you can see, again, this is the Amaran 60D. This is a 500 Kelvin daylight LED portable, I guess you could say studio light is what this is. So as you can see from the front of the box, looks like you have some sort of an LED readout that'll probably tell you how bright you can get with this light, as well as it looks like it's Bluetooth connectivity. So as I said before, you can download an app for this, and you can control all of the functions from the app itself. And so we're going to go around the back, and as you can see, this is going to show you what it comes with. So that is going to be your light, that is the reflector, that's the battery plate that will be showing using the NPF batteries, that's going to be the mount, that's the AC battery power if you want to plug this in and use continuous power that way. So we're just going to kind of read this really quick. As you can see, it says it's a Amaran 60D. It is a daylight balanced Bowers mount LED light. So basically the Bowers mount means that you can attach different mounts to this aside from the reflector that comes with it. It's compact design, which means it's portable, easy to use. It can be used with existing lighting mounts, as you can see before, as I just mentioned. And the product meets the needs, different occasions. Light control is easy to achieve professional entry-level photography. This is going to be my main key light. This is going to be replacing my Elgato Key Mini. That'll kind of work as like my fill light. But like I said, once I get this up and running, I'll talk a little bit more about it. So we're just going to kind of go over and pop this open and see what you get with it. Okay, after a little bit of some technical difficulties of trying to get that off, we finally got it off. Now this is the case that it comes with. Styrofoam casing, kind of like when I did when I got my Ronin DJI. It came in the same kind of styrofoam casing. So this is going to be your handle for it, so it's easy to carry with you. And these are your little 2 latches. I think it was kind of like a briefcase, basically, but styrofoam. So pop that open, and then we'll see how this comes out. So, okay, so as you can see, this is the whole lighting set. So we'll go over one piece by piece. So this is going to be, looks like your lighting. It's pretty light, small. Looks like this is going to be your tone or your tuning dial. So this looks like it's going to be for changing the brightness. If you want to do the brightness, you have to get your Bluetooth reset button. So that's to reset the Bluetooth if you're having issues with connecting it to like your phone with an app. So that's what that's for. Again, nice little fan right there. So the little fan thing, if it overheats, I guess the fan's supposed to keep it cool. That's your DC power. So if you want to use continuous power, you plug it in that way. Then that's your on and off. And this looks like this is going to be the way you would replace the battery plate for the battery. So I'm guessing this is what this is going to be. So this looks like this is going to be your battery pack or battery base for this if you want to run it off a battery. So I'm guessing that this somehow manages to slide into that. So we're just going to figure out how that works. Looks like this kind of goes, slides down, and that just kind of goes like that. So it clicks. Obviously, so it makes a clicking sound. And then this is the same kind of battery that I use for my camera monitor. These are the NPF batteries. This is NPF 960, and I'm guessing this just slides in this way. So you always want to slide in when you have battery packs like this, and you need to put it in always with the little hole. You always want the little hole facing towards the end of the battery case. So where the little holes are at, right there, take this and you just kind of, it's like you just slide it in, but there's probably some sort of button you got to hold down to keep it in. Doesn't look like you're going to slide it in. Usually these things don't let you just slide it directly in. So let's say you're just going to, oh, yes, so. So there you go. And again, this takes 2 of them as opposed to just 1. So I do have 2 batteries for these, but like I said, when I get this up and running, then we'll test it out a little. And I guess the way you remove the batteries is there's a little button. I guess there's a little button right there. So yeah, that's your little release button. So that's your lock, unlock. You press that down. I guess that just pops up, and that's it. And I guess to remove this, from what I read, this little lever here is your release hatch. You press that down. I guess that just comes off, or maybe, okay, so on the back here, that is where you would basically remove the plate. So you press that down, and then that just slides up. So it's like a quick release. Yeah, so as you can see. And then this just, you're going to slide it on, it just clicks. And then when you take it off, you press down, and then it just slides off. So this is how that works. So that's your light, and then I guess to get this off, you just probably twist it. So we're just going to twist this off. I guess you need to use the release to actually do that. So looks like you get to press backwards. So then, oh, okay, there we go. So that is your LED light right there. And I'm guessing this is your reflector. This looks like some little, don't know what that is. Obviously, you get some guarantee cards, like a little warranty card. And so your reflector, I guess how this works is you simply just take this, match it with the little holes right at the ends like such, and then you just slide. So let's say it goes from right to left, or if you're left-handed, it's right to left, if you're left-handed, it's left to right. So that's how that works. And I guess this is some sort of release button. Making sure that that just stays in place. Obviously, you can see it's caution hot surface. So obviously, you don't want to touch this when this thing is on. And this looks like it's going to be the battery piece right here. So obviously, that's part of the battery right there. This looks like it's going to be the actual battery piece itself right there. So it looks like this somehow manages to connect into the back of this, and I guess there's a little threads on here. You probably can't see it on the camera, but there's a little thread thing. So I guess when you plug this in continuous power, you just twist this, and then that just stays on, so that you don't accidentally pull that out while it's on. So that's actually kind of cool. And then this looks like it's going to be. We're just going to move this box out of the way. So this looks like this is the mount that slides in or screws in. So there's a mount right there. So that just obviously just kind of slides into that. Now this mount does not, it says it'll work on a tripod, but it will not work on any of the tripods that I have, because this is a different kind of mount that you can slide over a tripod. You actually need something called an impact light stand, which is what I'm buying for this, and I'll make an unboxing of that video as well when I get it. And this is designed to slide over that, and this one that I'm going to be getting will be a desk clamp mount, because having this clamped onto my desk, it will not be on a C-stand because my room is too small to actually accommodate one of those. But this is supposed to slide over that, and then you can screw it in. But that is pretty much it for the unboxing of this. Again, this is the Aputure 60D. This is about $149, and I will have a link down below for this as well. Again, this is gonna be my main key light for this. So this is everything that comes with the Aputure 60D, as you can see. And again, it just takes a simple NPF battery, so you can buy these online. I'll have a link below for this one if you want to take a look at this one. It's actually a pretty good battery. And that is everything that I have for the Aputure 60D. And again, I want to thank everybody for watching. And again, stay tuned for my next video. I'll be doing an unboxing of the light stand for this mount when I get it. So that's everything I got. I want to thank everybody for watching. And again, my name is Black Appeal, the Apple Guy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the holidays.